G'day everyone. In today's video I'm just having a quick flick through the BIOS on the new Acer Nitro 5 10300H/3060. Now sadly we don't get any pretty BIOSes like we have been getting with other manufacturers, but let's have a bit of a look and see what may be helpful for people. So to begin with, we can see our processor, system BIOS version 2.01. And from here on the side we have HD0, HD1, HD2, HD3. We are running Optane with RAID, which is really bizarre, but whatever, I'll go with that. At the moment I've got an NVMe drive in there, which is this one here from the factory, and I have put in a 1 terabyte Crucial MX500 SSD just for games and whatnot. We go over to main, network boot, F12 boot menu, wake on LAN, USB wake, function, lid open resume, wake on USB while lid closed. So a whole bunch of very basic settings. Over here, these two I'm not familiar with, so I won't bother altering them. Security, usually the same old stuff I'm used to seeing on many laptops. Boot, right now I can't change anything there. And that's really it. So one extremely bland BIOS on the Acer Nitro 5 2021 model. Anyway, that will do. No point in saving. Let's leave. Bye.